As far as the finishing work on it, we're definitely going to run. I realize the bedrooms are small, so that's why I wanted to really go a little bit further on the details and really the accents and stuff. So this obviously wasn't here. Like, let's put a fireplace in it. Let's basically draw things in, nice paint colors. We're gonna run hardwood floors all the way throughout the unit. So even in the bedrooms, even in the kitchen, you got hardwood floors. Nice tile in the bathrooms. I like that. I do realize that there's no closet space, so we're going to be kind of funky on the closets to really kind of make up for that in these closets, or probably build something out here on the porch here to give more closet space. And I'm glad that the young ladies who point that stuff out